It once thrived in the wetlands of East Yorkshire and is an endangered species. But now, thanks to a team of volunteers at a local nature reserve, the Marsh Pea plant could be rescued from the brink of extinction. It's been spotted in 2 isolated areas near Beverley. Amanda White has been on the hunt for the Marsh Pea.
I've been invited along on an expedition to find the critically endangered marsh pea in the wilds of East Yorkshire.
So what we're looking for, it looks like a sweet pea, essentially. So with purple flowers on it, little tendrils climbing its way up the reeds.
It's a bit boggy.
We've had to stop here just at the moment because this is one of the artesian springs, and the reason that a lot of these plants have hung on in this environment down here because, yeah, of the hazards of all these wet pools. So I'm afraid we're going to have to double back, find another route.
The other route had another hidden water hazard.
Well, it's official. He's wet through to his pants. Poor Richard.
Good job, look, I've got a good pair on. That's
Yeah.
how dangerous they can be, though. That was completely covered.
And that's why you never do this alone. The aim today is to find seeds to bring back to the polytunnel here at Top Hill Low Nature Reserve, where volunteers will help them to germinate.
If they ever die out because of climate change or drying out, then we lose the whole species. So we went a year ago and harvested a whole load of seed, and these are plants which were grown from seed this spring, and in a year's time these will have grown on thicker. We'll take them back out, find a suitable location and plant them back out again.
So I think we might have a sprig of marsh pea down here. It's not much, but yeah, maybe a clue we're on the right track possibly.
So that's great because the adult plants are about 30 yards that way. This means that it's survived here, it's spread.
Can't lie. This is great fun.
There's some here, they're just climbing up. Once you get your eye in, you can see all the little tendrils. You can see how it's coiled itself around these reed stems to try and climb up for the light.
We found one then, John.
Yeah.
Where are the seeds?
So it looks like there aren't any flower buds in evidence. So it might suggest that this year's been a very poor conditions for flowering and seed setting for the marsh pea. And we just happen to have waded through all this reed to find these lovely plants which aren't flowering this year.
A lot of peas, no seed heads sadly, but it has been encouraging. There's a good population here. They just need to get the conditions right to see the marsh pea thrive here in the River Hull Valley.
Well, I mean, what a fabulous experience, and who gets to do things like this? You know, this is like East Yorkshire's Okavango, except without the hippos and crocodiles, hopefully.
But there are extraordinary things here, rare plants, protected by an inhospitable landscape. Amanda White, BBC Look North, East Yorkshire.